Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is ambiguous. It's pronounced ambiguous, and it is spelt ambiguous. Think big, U, as in the letter U, and then us. Ambiguous is an adjective. It's a describing word. It has two meanings. Firstly, ambiguous means open to more than one interpretation. For example, if I said the question on the test was ambiguous and unclear, this means the question could have been interpreted in many different ways, and therefore many different answers could have been given. This leads on to its second definition, not clear or decided. For example, if the result of a vote was ambiguous, it would mean there was no clear winner. Ambiguous comes from the Latin word ambiguus, which means uncertain. The Latin prefix ambi means both ways, so ambiguous means something that could go both ways and it's undecided. For example, the following sentence is ambiguous. The people are revolting. It could mean the people are standing in the street shouting and, quite literally, revolting against the law. Or it could mean the people are disgusting and, quite literally, unhygienic and not very pleasant. In the first instance, the word revolting is used as a verb. In the second instance, the word revolting is used as an adjective. The word ambiguous can be used in different contexts. For example, if you are reading a book where the setting was only described as outside, this is ambiguous as it could mean lots of things. The story could be set on a beach, in a forest, or in a desert. It's ambiguous. Ambiguous can be turned into ambiguity, which is a noun that means the quality of being open to more than one interpretation. For example, you could say, my homework was full of ambiguity, if you thought the questions did not lead to one clear answer. Synonyms for ambiguous include cryptic, dubious, enigmatic, inconclusive, obscure, puzzling, vague, and doubtful. Antonyms include certain, clear, definite, determined, known, obvious, and explicit. Hopefully, this podcast wasn't ambiguous, and you now understand what ambiguous and ambiguity is. See if you can use this word today. For example, if your parents tell you to behave, this could be taken as ambiguous as they have not told you exactly how to behave. That said, I think some common sense would probably tell you they'd expect you to behave well, or as good as gold. There's a simile for you. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.